Yaltrugu Namaskara. Hope all are safe and doing extremely well. So guys, this is 2021 and a lot of updates are coming from NIBOSH also, as well as now from BCSP also. Yeah, that is Board of Certified Safety Professionals, United States of America. So guys, actually out of these updates, which I'm going to discuss in this video, two updates already came in January and one update came in February. So because of my mistake and because I was not visiting these websites regularly because of some works, I was unable to cover these updates in the last months. So no issues. In this video, I'm going to cover these three important updates in 2021 from the BCSP, Board of Certified Safety Professionals, USA. Okay, in this video, very comprehensively, I will cover. So if you do not know about BCSP also, then do not worry. Each and everything you will understand in this video. As well as if you are a content creator, like if you are creating the content, whether it is in Hindi or in English, with regards to fire and safety, then kindly watch this video because one small message is there for all of my brothers and sisters, those who are like creating the content and just promoting the safety profession. So without wasting any single second, let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all, the update number one, which is coming from BCSP, that is with regards to MISPN. What is that? MISPN. Now MISPN means what? So before MISPN, you should understand ISPN. ISPN means Institution of Safety Professionals of Nigeria. Like it is one of the professional body which is available in Nigeria. So whatever the professional safety practitioners as well as professionals are there, they are basically taking the membership from there as well as from other organizations also. But it is popular in the Nigeria region. Now, if you are a member of ISPN, Institution of Safety Professional of Nigeria, then there is one benefit. As you know that if you want to achieve CSP certification, then you should have ASP certification. Okay. After ASP, you can go for CSP. Now, some people are there, they are not interested in ASP. Okay, so apart from ASP, there are two more ways out there. First of all, QAP and QEP, under that GSP and TSP programs are there. Second is your WABER qualification. What is that? WABER qualification. WABER means some qualification as well as memberships are there. If you hold these sort of membership or qualification means you can directly go to CSP. You don't need to give ASP, you don't need to take like GSP and TSP memberships. So out of that WABERs, one membership is there. What is that? One membership is there that is provided by ISPN. So if someone is there, if you are also there, those who are taking the membership of ISPN, then you can directly go for CSP. But now, after 10 February 2021, you are not longer eligible for that. If you are a member after 10 February 2021, then you cannot directly go for CSP. Yeah, the membership from ISPN is no longer applicable for the WABER of ASP. That is the first update and it will be effective already from 10 February 2021. So major update. Because basically under the WABER section, whatever the WABER qualifications as well as memberships are there, a lot of countries qualification as well as membership is present under that. Like some Indian qualifications are there, some Chinese qualification is there, as well as qualification from Singapore also is there. A lot of qualifications is there. Okay, so this is about the first update. Some noise is there, can you try to avoid that guys? Some background noise is there. Alright, so I hope it's clear to you with regards to update number one. Now let's come to the update number two guys, that is with regards to your GSP and TSP. Previously I explained you what is GSP and TSP. Now the update is with regards to GSP and TSP. Now GSP means what? Graduate Safety Practitioner. TSP means what? Transitional Safety Practitioner. Okay. Now if you are new, if you are hearing these terms first time, kindly visit to the BCSP certification series, which is one of the popular series of EHS Academy YouTube channel. You will get each and everything about GSP and TSP over there. Okay, now, so when a person is there, he is acquiring GSP or TSP, he don't need to pay any sort of like application fees and all, but on the yearly basis, he need to pay one renewal fees. Okay, one renewal fees he need to pay, but BCSP has simplified that. You don't need to pay any renewal fees every year. Yeah. Instead of that, what you can do is when you are applying for TSP and GSP memberships or designations, at the time you can pay $25. That is your full and final. After $25, you will get that membership. And every year you don't need to pay anything. Okay, previously you need to pay. Now, for the next 6 years, until and unless your GSP and TSP designations will be active, until and unless you are not achieving CSP, this particular thing will be available. Okay, so this is about update number two, which is already effective in 1st January 2021. It means after 1st January 2021, it is already being implemented all over the countries in which BCSP certifications as well as like QAP, QEP programs are available. Alright, so two updates we have covered. Now let's come to the third update that is coming from BCSP certification, recertification points. So guys, if you visit to the BCSP certification, like BCSP website, at the time you will get one book is there. What is that? E-book is there, that is called the recertification guide. It means you have achieved CSP, you have achieved ASP, CHST, OHST, CIT, SMS, any sort of BCSP qualification. So after that, you need to achieve some sort of recertification points, okay, in order to maintain this particular qualification. So how the points will be awarded, how much points will be awarded for each particular activity, these all things is written under that particular recertification guide. So now this particular recertification guide have been updated recently, okay, and as well as new version is available. So you can go to BCSP website and check out that, because inside that a lot of activities are being listed through which you can earn the recertification points and can maintain your certifications. So this is the third update that I have shared with you, as well as this update is already applicable from 1st January 2021. So these are the 3 updates. I hope it's clear to you. Alright, till now, if you have any doubt with regards to these updates, please drop down a comment in the comment section. I'll answer you as soon as possible. Now, updates are covered. Let's come to the message that I told you, which I'm going to share with my friends, brothers and sisters, those who are creating content in that segment of file safety. See guys, we all are doing great work. We are providing content, we are providing knowledge to our brothers and sisters, those who are working in this field. But what about these updates? These are very crucial updates. I don't know why people are not focusing on that, because see, previously also Nibosh updates are there, but apart from Aegis Academy, nobody made the video on that. So please try to cover these updates also. You have a public, you have the viewership of different kind of people, like those who are watching Hindi content. So try to convey this information, because this is very important. Nobody is covering. Okay, I'm not telling that we are only the pioneer, we are only providing. This is not like that. We are working together. Okay, so try to provide these sort of updates also, because these are very, very important. Okay, apart from providing the conventional knowledge, that is okay. Okay, providing that is okay, but try to cover them also, because this is very important. Providing updates with regards to health and safety field, this is one of your our responsibility with regards to our profession. Okay, so please take this as a message. This is my request as a small brother. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you guys. So this is about the end of this video. I hope you got some understanding, you got some updates. If you like this video, press the like button, share this video with your all the friends, because everybody should know about these updates. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care guys.